Go back up. Go back up. Okay, go back up. Happy New Year from sunny Florida. Woo! That wake's kind of loud. We are at our friend's place on the East Coast. We zipped over to, is this Palm
Coast?
Palm Coast.
Between St. Augustine and Daytona Beach.
Yeah.
We were here last year for New Year's, and it's like apparently now a tradition. Here we are.
Yeah.
Crashing the New Year's Eve party at the Brian and Chris's house.
Yeah, so I think we're getting ready to go on a boat ride, which is awesome. The sun is shining. It's going to be so warm today, and it hasn't been particularly warm up till now, so I'm really excited.
Warm for you is hot.
Oh, it's true.
It's been really nice.
Yeah, okay.
It's been like 70.
Yeah, 70 but breezy, so
yeah.
Cold. I had an awesome time here last night. We actually did make it till midnight. Did you guys make it up till midnight?
Yeah, if you did, I hope you're all feeling good this morning.
Yeah, we were actually thinking, man, if we're on the West Coast, we could be in bed by now because we could celebrate the East Coast ball drop. Oh, anyway, so we kind of just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year and maybe lay out a few plans for not plans so much, but
we have some plans.
I think this bench is making the camera really wiggly.
I'll stop rocking.
Okay. So I hear another boat coming. Okay, so we are actually going to be at the Tampa RV show. We will be in the Road Trek booth January 19th and 20th. That's the Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday 2 to 5, Sunday
11 to 1.
11 to 1.
Yeah. So definitely if you're in the area, I'll wait for this guy to go by.
Yeah, so this is it. This is the Intercoastal Waterway. So the Atlantic's just over the hill.
Right over there. So yes, we'll be at the Tampa RV show Saturday and Sunday, the 19th and 20th. What do we say? 2 to 5, 11 to 1. So stop by if you guys are around. We'd love to see you guys.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
We actually love this because it's an opportunity for us to meet people. So that we've, you know, some people we've been talking to for a long time through YouTube, and it's a great opportunity for that. So I'm actually really excited about it. Plus, okay, they have some new stuff. There's going to be a Road Trek, I think, is going to be revealing their Ford Transit at this show. So their new RV on the Ford Transit.
Yeah, we're not exactly sure what it is. We saw, when we toured the factory last year, we saw they had a Ford van up on a lift, but we didn't hear anything about it or ask about it.
And I thought it was going to be a Pomona, but it wasn't. But I think I've read somewhere that it's going to be at this show.
So hopefully we can get there and maybe do a video tour of the new Road Trek model, see what that's about.
I'm pretty excited to see that.
So what's after Tampa then?
After Tampa, we will be booking it west because both our boys are going to be meeting up with us in Nevada at the end of February. So we're going to meet up with them for about a week. That's what their schedules are like, and we can work around their schedules. So that's where we'll be. And we do have a property there as an investment. We've had it, and we're getting ready to sell that. So we're going to take that time while we're in Nevada to get that ready, get that on the market, get rid of it because we're never there. And then we'll be headed back to Oregon, probably early April, more like, right?
Yeah, we want to get there earlier than usual because we like to be there in the summer when it's nice weather to visit family and friends up there. But looks like we're crossing the country again. We're going to go across back to Ontario to the Road Trek factory in June. So we'll be in Oregon in the probably
couple months,
May, you know, maybe part of April and May-ish. And then we're going to head across to Ontario to the factory. The Road Trek is doing a, what do they call it?
2019 homecoming. I think it's for Road Trek owners.
Yeah.
I don't really have all the details, but it's towards the end. I think it's like June 24th.
So
Beginning then, yeah.
the end of May sometime. Not sure what the details are, but we're going to be there.
End of June.
Sorry.
End of June sometime.
End of June sometime. Big owners event for Road Trek. We're going to be there. Sounds like a lot of people are going to come. It should be an amazing time. So if you have a Road Trek, might be something to put on your possibilities to-do list.
Yes, and while we're over in that neck of the woods, we are thinking about going to Nova Scotia for July. We're awfully close there. Now we want to spend a whole summer sometime in Newfoundland area. I think that deserves full attention for a summer. So we're not going to hit that this year. But I think Nova Scotia we can do in July. And then we actually want to spend some summertime back on the Oregon coast. My nephew, who's not in school yet, you know, until September. So I'd like to get back August
Sounds like
sometime.
we've got the whole next 6 months all planned out.
Okay, well, we kind of do, loosely. But something really exciting we haven't shared with you guys while we're back in Oregon this spring, we are going to be working on a little piece of property we bought. We bought 1 acre in the woods, Central Oregon. So really close to
Bend.
It's high mountain desert, so lots of pines and tons of lakes. There's just endless lakes over there to go fishing on. National forest land everywhere.
Not someplace we want to be
in the winter. It snows a lot there.
It's pretty cold.
So this lot we bought, we need to throw a well on. It does have septic and power. So we're, you know, it's just, we don't exactly know what we're going to be doing with it, but a big shop with maybe living quarters inside on one side. It's kind of what we're leaning towards, but, you know, possibilities are endless.
Maybe it'll just be a place in the woods we park the van.
It could be that
Maybe
too.
we'll just put a container on there and store stuff in it. Maybe we'll make a shop. We don't know.
I don't know, but we'll be filming that as well. So whatever we're kind of doing with that, we'll be letting you guys know too, because I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, wow, we have a lot going on, don't we? I need a break. So that's just kind of our loosey-goosey plan for 2019. Now next winter, we're also talking about maybe going down to the Baja Peninsula. Yeah, that's definitely on our radar. So I think that'd be a great thing to do for next winter. This little worm is hot. Pistol, are you hot?
She doesn't like the humidity.
Humidity really gets her.
It's like 9:30 in the morning. It's probably 70 degrees and really humid.
Yeah.
It feels amazing.
Oh, it's so
It reminds
nice.
me of being in Maui, that kind of warm, humid feeling, you know, the smells, everything. It's kind of weird.
That's awesome. All right, well, wishing you all the very best 2019. That sounds weird, doesn't it? 2019? Wow. We're already in 2019. I mean, if you really think about it, time just slips away so quickly, so.
Well, here's to 2019 being as awesome as 2018 was.
Seriously. Yeah, wishing you all the best. Yeah, carry on.
Carry on.